How's it going, guys? This is Beard Made Reviews, and I do hope that you had a great holiday season and New Year's. I know I'd made a video before this one stating that I'd get back into regular programming after the holidays. So this is me doing that. So what we got today is a optic. I'm going to do an unboxing. I have not opened this yet. I've just took it out of the Amazon packaging and set it on the review table. So I was looking for a fixed optic for my 4570, and I had been getting a lot of feedback and did some research on this particular optic. I have one other Monstrum. That's what this is. It's a Monstrum Ruckus Pro. This is a Prism scope. I have another Prism scope, but it's made by Vortex. That is mounted on an AR. But this is a fixed 6X. I guess you can see that right there. Fixed 6X. It's got an etched reticle. It's got a BDC where you can, the drop can be configured to, you know, you set this at 100. You can go increments of, I'll have to get into the manual. I'll throw up a little snippet of some of the specs on it, but essentially you can have kind of doped drops right here, and I'll show you the reticle ring and all whenever I get into the rest of the review on this. This is going to be an initial unboxing. The review will come later because I feel like it would not be fair to say that this is a great product. I'm just as new to it as you guys are if you're searching for this kind of thing. If you landed on this because you was looking for Prism Optics, we're going to be learning together. Again, I've used them before, but it's been Vortex. I figured I'd give this a try because you catch these on sale. They're about $70 or so, something around that. They're regularly $100, but to be a sub 100 Prism scope, I haven't went wrong with Monstrum before, so here's the hoping. I will put out a more detailed review after I put it through the gauntlet. I really feel like putting this thing on a shotgun or a 4570. 4570's got a little bit sharper of a recoil, and we'll see how the zero holds on this thing. So opening this up, as you can see, I haven't even got it out of the packaging yet. So opening it up, you've got your bagged optic. Then you have your welcome pamphlet and information on the scope. The operating manual, it uses a CR2032. It's got the various adjustment knobs and whatnot. This also, which I'm not going to really use it, I may just take it off, but it has this pinicky rail on top where if you wanted to put this on an AR, since this is a 6X magnification fixed, you can put your red dot up here and run it that way. So just going over all the mounting instructions and operating. This does have a shake awake. It has a shake awake mode. If it's left in idle for 10 minutes, it'll go into a sleep mode, and then it will fully power down after 2 hours. Of course, you can sight it in. This is place your target at 100 yards away, the distance you wish to sight your scope at. And then it shows the reticle details. This one right here is the one that this one comes with. These are just other variants of different scopes that they offer, or not scopes, the different red dots, reticles. This one is the only one it has, though. It's etched in. It's just got a kind of a light up glass. So there's that. You got your tools, and it looks like an extra set screw. Comes with a card right here. It says your minimum scope zero distance is 25 yards. So if you want to, I don't know why you would run anything closer than that with a 6X scope, but Jesus. Anyway, I guess they had to put that in there, which that's a pretty cool card. Set that right over there. Showing the lifetime guarantee. I've not had to use this yet. Maybe we won't have to use it after we put this thing through the gauntlet. But it's showing that it's shake awake enabled. And then you have a cleaning pad for your glass, which is always nice. So we're just gonna jump right into this. Unsealing this package. Sorry, a little bit of humor. It's showing that the battery is a choking hazard. Gotta love these stickers. That's awesome. Oh well. A little comedy never hurt anybody, right? Nah, you ain't here to watch me peel that off. So, initial looking through the glass, this looks very similar to the clarity looks really similar to my my Vortex, which my Vortex is only a 3X. This one being a 6X, I'm not really going to be able to see a whole lot through this thing, especially, you know, right now it's night and I'm not going to be able just to see out the window. Let's see. Okay, the battery's pre-installed. So that is a really good illumination. It's nice and tactile, real clicky. And then you got your adjustments. I like that the caps have the built-in adjustment on it. One thing I do like with some of the Vortex products, these right here are kind of attached to this, so you can't lose them. Not all of their products are like that. It would just been nice if this one was. So essentially you take your Allen key, and this is what you would use to mount up onto your firearm. the weight, there's a little bit of weight there, which some people can say that's a good thing. Some people say that's a bad thing. I think personally it's a good thing. This feels really nice. The aluminum housing, I think, is a 6061. Like I said, I'll put some specs up. It really feels like that you got a quality optic in your hand. Monstrum has came a long way. I don't know why I have not gave them more than a second look. This is going to be my second kind of experience with it. I know their little $35 red dot has lasted on my AR pistol and is doing very well. So I like the low profile design of this. I like the low profile design. Kind of give you some. Let me put this autofocus back on. But anyway, so yeah, it's got 11 brightness settings. If you just wanted to, burn out your retina, it's really not that bad. It's kind of in very subtle illumination step ups or step downs. It's very easy on the eye. I am really interested in getting this thing out and putting it through its paces. But yeah, I believe that it will be interesting for sure. I mean, that glass is pretty big as far as like the opening right there. I want to say it is a I can't remember if it's a 30 or it's a 40. Like I said, I'll put some specs up on the optical out right here. I think it might be a 30. But yeah, I feel good about it. We're gonna put it through its paces. I'm working on getting a little bit of a rifle setup going, because my current range is only about 70 yards or so, and can't really, I mean, I can. It's just the last time I tried to shoot my 45-70 in that range, it knocked both plates off the chains, blew the carriage bolts right out of it. So not too fun. Anyway, guys, this will conclude this video. If this brought you any kind of entertainment, learned something new, and we entertained you, please consider leaving a like, a comment. I love those. Just love them. I love answering them. And consider subscribing. It does help the algorithm pick me up. I am just floored that I'm at the subscriber count that I am right now. It's great. Y'all have the guys that come back and watch me every time I post a video. You guys are the unsung heroes of my day. And I can't thank y'all enough. Again, smash the like button. It throws me out to more like-minded people, and helps me continue doing these videos. I don't ever see myself getting huge on here, but I just love doing content for y'all. But until next time, guys, be safe. Have a great day. Thank you.